This exceptional new community in River Terrace offers 55 high-quality, single-family homes built by local builder Riverside Homes. Scholls Meadow is located near Progress Ridge Town Square, parks, trails, and wine country. These single-family homes offer floor plans from nearly 1,700 to more than 2,500 square feet, offering an unparalleled level of luxury and comfort with designer touches throughout. Discover modern interior finishes with open floor plans. The luxurious kitchens feature sleek quartz countertops, expansive islands, stainless steel appliances, a pantry for storage, and more. This floor plan offers a main level bedroom and a convenient bath. The upstairs bonus room makes a great media room or workout space. Unwind and relax in the generous primary suite. It's complete with a thoughtfully designed bath, including a tiled shower, dual sink vanity, and a soaking tub, plus a large walk-in closet and a laundry room just off the primary suite. You'll find additional large bedrooms, designer paint colors, and energy-conscious features. The spacious fenced backyard with a covered patio provides the perfect backdrop for outdoor entertaining. Inviting, beautifully crafted homes in a fantastic new community by Riverside Homes. Experience modern style and functionality in Scholls Meadow. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.